We guide you through how to find saved passwords on iPhone using the new passwords features in iOS 18. First thing you need to do is unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Passwords, then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once inside, you'll see a full list of saved website and app passwords stored on your device. Tap any entry to view the username and password, and you can also tap Edit to update details or copy password to paste it elsewhere. If you are looking for a specific login, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. iOS 18 also alerts you if a password is weak or compromised, helping you stay secure. This is the safest and fastest way to access saved passwords on your iPhone without installing any third party apps.